Hey everybody, welcome back to today's video. My name is Marybeth and I'm super excited to be here today sharing with you another Infinity Processing System video. What you're looking at right here, right now, is my brand new updated Infinity Processing System capture page. And when you join me in Infinity Processing System, you have the option of getting one of these high converting Infinity Processing System capture pages as well as an option, okay? So I just wanted to share with you what I am currently using, will be using as we roll into the busy season in this wonderful, exciting home-based business industry. So I'm going to put the link below in the description to this brand new capture page where you can go to yoursuccessblueprint.net and enter your best email right here. Now be sure and enter yourself a valid email. It will be in your best interest and serve you very well to do so. And then after you enter your email, click on Get Instant Access. And when you do that, this is where you are going to be redirected over to my Infinity Processing System sales page, where you can start at the very top and review all of this information in its entirety. And what I do is I encourage you, if you want to find out how you can get access to the $300 a day blueprint by posting pre-written ads on social media, you want to be sure and press play right here, folks, to watch this presentation. And then it'll explain to you very simplistically how it's all done, folks, and how you can do this and benefit. And this video, folks, largely automates the system, so you don't have to worry about talking to prospects or leads, folks. This very video, it's simple, but it's powerful and it's compelling. Literally does all the telling, selling, and explaining for you around the clock, folks, 24/7, 365, so you don't have to. And it does an amazing job. So you definitely want to watch this presentation from the very beginning all the way to the end. And then come on down here, review this information. This is me right here, folks. You can read my little bio, okay, to get to know me better. And exactly how it works, clearly stated and defined in 3 simple steps. Right here, folks, step 1, 2, and 3. Be sure and read everything. How does it work? It goes on and explains in more detail exactly how this simple automated system works. Okay, right here, all the way here, folks, this information, and then right here are the wonderful products. Now, I would highly encourage you, of course, get in where you fit in, folks. You can always move up. There's plenty of room for growth. You can always upgrade at any time. We have our starter for 50 plus a one-time 25 admin, and then we have our elite at 150 plus a one-time $25 admin. But this is what's the highly recommended, most popular, most sought out, sought after product package, which is the six-figure blueprint for only one-time $300 plus a one-time $25 admin. Now we earn 100% commissions. We get to keep it all, folks. Okay? 100% commissions. We get paid member to member via our favorite payment method, favorite payment processor or processors. But this is the one, folks, that's highly recommended, and you get paid on all levels, okay? If you're anything like me, folks, I surely don't like leaving money on the table. So when I got started last year, March of 2021 to be exact, and we're going to fast forward to right now, folks. This is our busy season. It just gets busier from here, folks. So there's never been a better time. August, right now we are in the month of August 2022. September, October, November, all the way up until Christmas, folks. This is the season, is the time. So there's never been a better time than to seriously consider being part of Infinity Processing System. This is truly going to equip you with all the information and content and step-by-step training and everything that you will need, the resources, the tools to finally succeed online, folks. If you're someone who's been struggling, you feel like you're up against a brick wall, you face challenges, maybe you're someone who's never been able to successfully earn online or earn consistently to be able to build up to that most desirable full-time income, six-figure a year, income potential, folks. This product right here for only $300. In my opinion, it is truly a small price to pay for success because it's going to set you up, giving you everything you need inside of the six-figure blueprint, and its name is extremely appropriate. For example, if you aspire to become a six-figure income earner, you do some simple math, folks. You pull out your calculator. $300 a day is going to put you in a position to be able to accomplish those type of goals, if those indeed are your goals that you aspire for. Now, of course, we can't make any income claims, promises, or guarantees. Nobody can. I certainly cannot, and I can't guarantee you income with Infinity Processing System because I don't know what you'll do with it, nor do I know your work ethic. But literally everything is here in this product package, bundled up for maximum potential earnings and content and training. Okay, everything is here, plus you'll be able to earn on all levels, 300, 150, and 50. Okay, you get everything here in this list, from the 200 pre-written ads plus 60 bonus image ads. You're never going to have to worry about creating your own ads again. Of course you can, and you can personalize these and edit, modify them, make them your own. That would be a good idea. Have fun, be creative, and just do what you want to with these ads, folks. You'll be able to brand yourself. You're going to learn how to position yourself with a winning mindset, the art of persuasion and influence, very important personal development criteria and skills that you can take and add and implement this wonderful 7-day success action plan. Gain access to the six-figure closing script to help you increase your sales. Facebook marketing strategy. You're going to learn this, and not only are you going to be able to utilize it to the fullest for IPS, but once you acquire the skills necessary to pay the bills within this very six-figure blueprint product, you can go out there, folks, and become part of any opportunity and hit the ground running, folks. So there's many great benefits and value here. This is multifaceted, folks. It's universal training that works for any opportunity. And it's skills that people will never, ever be able to take away from you. And that, folks, is worth its weight in gold, okay? Facebook marketing strategy, access to some of the best Facebook groups to be able to post these pre-written ads in. You'll be able to learn a highly invaluable Craigslist marketing strategy. Craigslist, folks, is still going strong in 2022. If you know how to utilize it properly and effectively, it can really serve you quite well, okay? YouTube mastery. This is how I got my start, folks, well over a decade ago. We're going to fast forward to right now. Here we are, August 2022, folks. I am still here coming to you, doing my thing, folks, with my videos. YouTube probably will help you to generate some of the best, highest quality, best converting leads on the planet, bar none. I would highly encourage you to learn YouTube mastery. Okay, this is going to give you everything you need in easy to follow, step-by-step video training tutorial modules, broken down in simple little steps and simple little pieces. You'll be able to learn this in the privacy and comfort of your own home at your own pace. If you need to go back and watch some of these modules, a second time or a third time, no worries, folks. You're doing this in the comfort of your own home, in the privacy and comfort of your own home, at your own pace, how you learn best. If you want to grab, a notebook, folks, take some notes, refer back to these notes, however you learn best, folks. You decide that, and then you take action and make it happen by watching the training, using the training, and then going out there, folks, and taking swift, massive action, apply and implement. Start with one skill set, folks, especially if you're brand new. Don't go on information overload. Just pace yourself And don't stress out, folks. Stick with it. Keep coming back every single day. Follow the 7-day success action plan and pick one of these strategies. And once you get really good, comfortable, and confident, then you can add on, layer on, and scale up and come in here and learn a second skill. Maybe you want to start with Craigslist marketing strategy and then go out there and start generating leads using Craigslist and then get some sales under your belt, folks, and then come in here and then perhaps learn YouTube mastery. And then you're going to have 2 different skill sets that you're going to be able to use for daily lead generation. Then perhaps you want to learn Instagram marketing strategy. Once you've mastered Craigslist and YouTube, come in here, go out and add on a 3rd marketing strategy. And then just keep on moving onward and upward and going, and learning as much as you can over time. But don't stress, folks. Rome wasn't built overnight. Don't go on information overload. Just do what you can in the amount of time that you have that you can allocate daily, consistently for best results. Whether that be 45 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, whatever you can spare, folks, okay? And that's what I would recommend doing. How to create your own 6-figure sales funnel is going to show you exactly what to do. All these wonderful social media platforms that you're going to learn some highly sought after skill set, folks, okay? Comes with a 30-day email follow-up to help you close your sales on autopilot. TikTok marketing strategy, folks. This is super popular. You can dominate all of these platforms when you learn them the right way, okay? And that is huge, okay? This is traffic domination at its best. And then you're going to get access to the VIP training live chat, exclusive live webinar trainings, all these wonderful extra bonuses right here through the relaxed vacation getaways, the discounts on hotels and restaurants, all for only one fee, folks, with no monthly fees. $300 plus 25 admin. When you're ready, folks, as soon as you're ready, folks, you know what to do. Hit this buy now button. You'll be able to make your payments. I will send you a welcome email. You'll follow the simple instructions. Not to mention, folks, I have some very extra special exclusive bonuses awaiting you above and beyond what is here if you take action today, folks, at this Pro $300 level. And what it's going to include is you'll be added to our additional bonus paid coaching group with access to one of the best coaches out there in the marketplace today, folks. You will have access to the special exclusive bonus paid coaching group, okay, above and beyond the 2 Facebook groups that you'll be able to plug into when you become a paid member of Infinity Processing System. So this is an extra special bonus. There's going to be live coaching inside of this group that you're going to be able to gain access to, folks. Everything you need to ensure your results and success. Okay? Plus, if you join today at the pro level, okay, you're going to get access to the Attraction Marketing Blueprint. This is something extra special and additional and supplemental for joining today at the pro level, okay? Plus access to all of my paid traffic resources that I use, that I've been using now for several years to successfully build my different business opportunities, folks, and hit and rank up and enjoy leaderboard status, folks, that I've been able to do over the past several years, okay? This stuff works, folks. You're also going to get access to the Money List, the Money List 2022, that is jam-packed and filled with many wonderful funding resources to help you to acquire personal and business funding and credit. That's huge. And then my special updated email follow-up series above and beyond what is in this system, folks, to just kind of put the icing on the cake. And like they say, folks, the money is in the list. You're going to have everything you need to successfully build that email list, the fortunes, and the follow-up. You're going to not only have access to this right here, folks, the 30-day email follow-up series, but my additional best email swipes that you can add on and layer on with your follow-up to give you the best advantage of success today in the marketplace. So I just wanted to share that with you, my additional personal bonuses for taking fast action and getting started today at the pro level. You have any questions, my information is going to be below. Best way to reach me, text or call me, okay? Prior to joining, folks, after you join, you can reach me. My personal cell will be listed here. Once I see you come through, I'll get an email notification that you joined me. At the pro level, you will get a welcome email with me, plus access to all of my additional extra special bonuses. Because I want you to succeed, folks. This is an awesome opportunity. We are welcoming new members in, countless new members in record numbers at an unprecedented rate every single day. People are tired of the hype. They're tired of the overpromises and under delivering in these many programs, and they're tired of not being able to succeed. This is something that is, my opinion, is affordable for the masses, especially if you're serious, folks. Sometimes you need to get your priorities in order and you need to make small sacrifices. People waste so much more money in any given week, folks, above and beyond $300. It is just absolutely ridiculous. This is something, folks, you pay for one time only. These are skill sets that are going to be highly sought after, highly valuable, that nobody will ever be able to take away from you, folks, okay? And you're going to be able to use them for any opportunity. That in and of itself is huge, absolutely huge, folks. So hopefully what I've shared with you in today's video, you finds you well. Hopefully you are inspired to take action, get started, so you can become one of our next success stories. And I look forward to seeing you soon inside of our Facebook community for coaching pro level members, folks. Welcome in advance to Infinity Processing System and to my team. I'll get you added into all of our Facebook groups. You will have more than enough of resources and training to truly, finally win. Win big and succeed today, tomorrow, and next year and beyond. So my name's Marybeth Angelelli. Head on over to my website, click on the link below. You're going to be redirected here to this very page. Watch this video. Come on down here, folks, and let's get you started today. Why put off until tomorrow what you can get done today? The sooner you get started, the sooner you can start earning, folks, and put yourself in that income potential bracket, okay? And then not to mention, folks, this is super exciting. Now, this is what's your potential. Of course, we can't guarantee you income, and nobody can. But if you go through the training, and if you execute, and you apply, and implement, folks, there is no reason that you can't come here after you watch this video, visualize, and see the potential that lies ahead when you use a system that works, folks. And we have so many success stories out there, so many testimonials inside of our groups, folks. I'd love to welcome you in advance to Infinity Processing System and to the team. So let's get you going, folks. Check out this potential, folks. See what's possible. And I'm sure with only even one sale a day at the starter package, this could be your potential. And for many people, folks, this could cover your mortgage. Imagine never have to stress again over your mortgage, folks, because you have something, a system that gives you the skills necessary to equip you to pay your bills going forward, folks. That's priceless, okay? No more stressing, no more sleepless nights, just a better quality of life, a healthier life, and a more fulfilling life. And it can be made possible when you plug in and get access to the right system, folks. And in my opinion, this is indeed the right system. But just don't take my word for it, folks. Check it out. Your research, do your due diligence. I encourage you to do that. Look at the elite level, what's possible with only one cell, at the most conservative level, folks. One cell. Look. And then, folks, this is where it's at. This is why I encourage you to come in here, because you're going to get so many bonuses. A handful of extra special bonuses from me personally for joining with me today, folks. Look at this. One cell a day here. This could become your new reality, folks. But you have to get started. Remember, nothing happens unless you take action. Take action today. Thank me later. I'll see you soon on the inside. Marybeth Angelelli, text or call me if you need me. I'm just a phone or text away. And I'll see you soon Expect that welcome email with my special bonuses. We'll see you soon. Bye bye.